Alright, now we come back. That means we come home. This is way I'm using to go through my way. My home, I mean. And this is also Miss Ella. I'm always walking with her. Can you see? This is nice place. This is road. Sometimes go one car, they parking over there, and got a couple inside the car, and then they do their business inside the car. I don't know what they do, but sometimes if I got, then I'm always disturbing them. Yes, because they're very naughty. Why did you want to go hotel? It's safety, right? It's not here, not inside the car. Oh my goodness. And then here, can you see? And it's me. Yeah, Miss Vanessa. This is my place. I'm always walking here. It's so quiet. Yeah, so scary, but so quiet. I like. Can you see over there? I think it's so much animal, the wild animal over there. And also this is Miss Ella. Uh, almost reach our gate. Faster, faster, Ella. Faster. Hmm. Okay, okay. Hi. No. I'm so tired. So really, really tired. Can you see? Our gate.